Fully Catholic Radio.
Fully Catholic,
Sharing the joy of our faith.
sharing the joy.
Fully Catholic Radio. Fully Catholic. Sharing the joy of our faith.
Well, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is truly with you. Ooh, blessed are you among all women, and blessed is your Son, Jesus. Pray for us, oh Holy Mother. Lead us closer to your Son, now and at the hour of our death. Holy Mary, pray for us. You said yes, all your heart, and welcome heaven's King. Now you walk with us each day and teach our hearts to sing. Pray for us, oh Holy Mother. Lead us closer to your Son, now and at the hour of our death. Holy Mary, pray for us. Shine a light in darkest night, Mother shining clear and bright. Gotta safely guide us home to the heart of Christ alone. Pray for us, oh Holy Mother. Lead us closer to your Son, now and at the hour of our death. Holy Mary, pray for us. Holy Mary, pray for us.
If you were blessed by this, then please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.